Hey guys, I'm going to be making a custom fanny pack. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date. I'll wait. Alright, let's go. Gotta keep these fresh. So, originally I wanted to use Posca markers for these, but I went to my local art supply store and they were out. So I had to settle for these decos. Also out of white, so I have to use fabric paint. Perfect! Time to sketch. Don't need that anymore. Perfect. Check this out. Alright, I know. It looks dark, but trust me, it'll look good at the end. Just trust me. I'ma shut up now. One thing about these markers, they're not the easiest to blend. Oh no, he looks scary. Now for my favorite part. See? Told you guys. Told you he'd look good. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.